If you want to copy applications on the Samsung A07, you can do this into two ways. So the first one, you have to go into the settings and move for advanced features. Over here, you can find the dual messenger feature, but this will actually allows you to only copy apps like WhatsApp, Messenger, Facebook, and Instagram. If you want to copy some other apps, for example, Gmail, then you have to use something different, and that's actually the secure folder. And you can find secure folder by going for security and privacy. Now we have to go for more security settings, and here you can find the secure folder. So when you open this for the first time, you will have to just set this up, set the password, wait for the all permissions that will pop up and accept them. And after that, the secure folder will be available in your applications screen. You have to open it and use the password that you set up. And now if you want to clone the specific application, you have to just click on the plus, and from a list of all available applications, you have to just click on them, click add, and now we can find this application in the secure folder and the second one in your application drawer.